I love you, baby boy.
Ndio nimewasha wachukua mkipigana.
Hi, my name is Anson and I like playing football.
Mama JJ on the river. When I look into your eyes, JJ, I see a future so bright, so bold. You came into my life like sunshine after storm, a miracle I prayed for, a gift I now hold.
Good morning, guys. I'm up. You guys, I woke up early, stayed in bed for 1 hour. Now I'm leaving. It's currently 8. The car that is picking me up is on the way coming. I normally book my car when I'm home and it picks me at the gate. Yeah, so I'm headed to MERU. Yeah, so this is the outfit of the day. I've worn this gray spaghetti top. I like its comfortability, it's long. And then I've worn my jeans and this sweater. I'm not going with these open shoes. I'm going with black doll shoes. That's what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these black doll shoes. And then yeah, so I don't know if I will vlog on the way, but I will catch you up when I get to Moya, when we have our first stopover. So I pray for journey mercies, I pray for safe roads, and when I get there I will definitely let you guys know that I'm already home and safe. Yep, so everything else is okay. I didn't fold the clothes. I just stocked my fridge, put everything away. I've left some few dishes on the sink. That is a plate, a saucepan that had boiled milk with yesterday night, and a cup. And that's also, and I'm going to add 1 more cup to the mix. Vayo, you'll meet some dishes in the sink, but don't worry, I'll clean them when I come back. Yeah. So let me walk slowly to the stage, and I'll get to catch you up later. The 3 Musketeers.
Mwendwa. Mbona anaenda kijificha?
Mbona hapendi kuonekana? Mwache. Ndio nimewasha wachukua mkipigana. They're called morning walks. Yo, good morning, good guys. Today is Sunday. I never picked camera since I go to MERU. Maybe I just took a few videos here and there, but I truly didn't do that because I truly wanted time to play with JJ and my family, and I missed everyone so much. So today is Sunday. You can imagine, today is Sunday. So we're going back. We're waiting for my brother-in-law to come pick us, and then we go to the stage. Yeah, so my outfit of the day, I'm wearing this long top. It's called sweatpants with black jeans. I've just tied it here. Come and say hi to my friends. Say hi.
Hi,
And then
my name is Anson
uh-huh
and I like playing football.
uh-huh
That's all.
what else? What's your brother's name?
My brother's name is Mario.
And what's your other brother's name?
JJ.
Good. Okay. Yeah, guys, you just heard from the king. Yes, Papa? You look dirty, guy.
Come, come.
Okay, guys, Gigi looks dirty, and it just Daddy is coming upstairs. Can you come upstairs as well? Okay, guys, I'll catch you up when you get to the roads. Yo guys, good morning. Hope you're doing well. I hope you all slept well. Mimi ile uoga nimekuwa nayo the whole of 2 days. For the last 2 days I've been so scared. Since 24th and 25th I've been the most scared person, to a point that hata kulala it was a problem. But anyway guys, so everything is off now. Everything is settled. Now we are ready to go back to work. I don't have a flu, but I don't know why I'm sounding as if I have homa. No, I don't have homa. So today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. I'm planning to travel to Shag's Kesho. Yeah, I'm planning to go to Shag's Kesho, but I have to write it down. I have to put my leave days together and send it to my boss for approval before that. And yeah, I'm hoping for a positive answer. Yeah, so I'm having my breakfast. Let me show you what I'm having. I'm having ugali, eggs and avocado, and black coffee. That's what I'm having. Yeah, so yesterday as maandamano were going through, I was cleaning my clothes. So I started cleaning my clothes on Tuesday night, because yesterday I was going to fix my hair. I've put back the same type of hair I had last time. This hair is so like light, like it doesn't have weight. It's like I have my own hair. It's not heavy even at all. And then it's called Rockstar. When it beats when it stays for so long, when you stay with it in your hair for so long, that's when now it starts looking like your real, what do you say? In Swahili we say ukiweka for long in a bit inachapa. Ikichapa ndio inakanga supu, but when it's new it doesn't look good. But this one is nice. This time I went for the long one. I did a longer version of it. The last time it was short. Yeah, but I love the hair. So as I was doing that, I did laundry, and this is the clothes that I have on my couch. This is my bag. I put it there. These are the clothes I need to fold. The rest of the clothes are there. They are folded. I folded half. I left half, and another like 2 bunches are outside drying, and the weather is not promising. It's so cold. Yeah, I'm hoping it's going to dry up so that when I travel tomorrow I don't have to leave clothes out to dry. Yeah. Yeah guys, so let me hope you're all good. Let me hope you're all well. Safety comes first, and I hope the day is going to run well. I don't know why I'm feeling nervous and tense. I don't know why, but I'm hoping I'm going to have a good day. Sure. Yeah, so let's catch up when I'm out. I'm going to Two Rivers. That's where I'm going to work, and let me hope I'm going to have a successful day. Yeah, so guys, catch you later. Yo guys, we are back to doing shopping. I miss my family so much. So we're back to doing shopping again.
Oh, I can't wait to see you, my son. I miss you.
Yo, good evening, guys. Why in nyumba yangu inakaa kama zoo? So why butterflies? Why do I have butterflies in the house? Are they butterflies or they're moths? Like why? Guys, it's almost a month. I've never swept this carpet because I don't sit on it. I don't. So you, what are you doing in my house? Okay, guys. So I'm back home and I just came from doing my shopping, my monthly shopping for once, and I'm like, I'm back to doing shopping because let me tell you guys, the last shopping I did was my last shopping I did was in February. That is it second? I think 2nd or 8th was the last shopping I did this year before my son's birthday. And ever since then, I've never shopped for anything apart from the gas that I normally fill. So this is the high time now I'm doing shopping. My family has been away, but since my family left in April, so since February, I've never done any shopping. But since April, I've been staying alone and I've been using what was there. And still, I've not yet finished what was there. So you can imagine the shopping I'd bought. And I feel that's the best way of doing shopping. But at the same time, things expire if you truly don't use them. So I'm happy that my family is coming back. I can't wait to go home and pick my son. I love you, baby boy. Always know Mama loves you. Your mom loves you with all our heart, like always. I know one day when you'll come to know how to converse and understand things, you'll definitely understand that mommy loves you and she'll always love you and she's always there to protect you. Yeah, so I want to take a shower and then I come show you, like we do a small haul of what I bought and the reason why I didn't buy some stuff. I hope you understand. Yeah, so let me shower and then I'll come back and show you.
Mama JJ on the river. When I look into your eyes, JJ.